Today's class I am going to discuss about to design CMOS inverter by using Verilog HDL code. So in this code I am using switch level model program. Before I start to write the program, first let me explain what is CMOS inverter. So the abbreviation of CMOS inverter is complementary metal oxide semiconductor. It consists of both PMOS transistor and NMOS transistor. These two transistors are connecting series connection. Let me draw the circuit. CMOS inverter. It consists of both PMOS transistor and NMOS transistor. So it's a symbol of PMOS transistor. This one is symbol of NMOS transistor. So it's a VDD. This one is VSS. So this is the PMOS. This one is NMOS transistor. So this transistor, it has a 3-terminal gate, source, drain. So these two gates or gate short circuit. So this terminal is called as input. So here let me take the output. So this is the simple CMOS inverter circuit. Now I am going to write the Verilog HDL code for this CMOS inverter. So first I write the design code. So as usual you write module. So module name is in. So in represent inverter. Then declaration of input and output. So in this structure I have two signals. So in represent input, out represent output. So input is E in, then output represent OUT. Then supply 1 is VDD. So this VDD is the logic 1. So logic 1 represent supply 1. So VSS represent ground. It's logic 0. So it represent supply 0. So supply 0 represent ground. Supply 1 represent VDD. So it's a switch level model program. So in this structure we have two components. This first component name is called as PMOS transistor. The second component, it's namely called as NMOS transistor. So PMOS, P1 is the component name. Let me assume this component. So out is the output. This output is based on the two signal V in and VDD. So in this switch level model, we represent first out followed by input. So in this component, output is out, input is V in and VDD. So VDD comma in. Then NMOS. The component name is N1. So in this component, this one is output. So this output is based on these two signal input and VSS. So out comma VSS comma V in. So VSS or ground comma in. Then N module. So this is the simple design code program. Now I am going to write the test bench code. So first you write module followed by module name. So module name is in underscore TB. Then declaration of input and output. In the design code, input is represent wire, out is represent rich. In test bench code, in is represent rich, wire, out. Then next step is the instantiation. Just link the design code and test bench code. In UUT. So UUT means unit under test. So dot in bracket in comma dot out within bracket represent out. So this is the instantiation. So INV is the module name of design code. The same name is reflected in the instantiation statement. So in UUT, unit under test. So within that you represent the input and output. Then next initial, begin, then dollar monitor. I need to monitor each and every step. So dollar monitor time equal to percentage 0t. Then in equal to percentage b, out equal to percentage b, dollar time, comma, in, comma, out. So it's a monitor statement. Then I assign the input values. So let me assume initially in equal to 1 tick b, 0. So after 10 times cycle, so this value it may be changed. In equal to 1 tick b, 1. So after 10 nanosecond, I change the value. N equal to 1 tick b, 0. So after 10 nanosecond, dollar finish. So finish the function. Then end module. So this is the test bench Verilog HDL code for CMOS inverter. So let me substitute the value inside the circuit. So initially in equal to 1 tick b, 0. So initially this value is 0. So this 0 is applied to gate of these two transistor, PMOS transistor and NMOS transistor. So this PMOS transistor gate is 0, NMOS transistor gate is 0. In this case, PMOS transistor is turned on, NMOS transistor is turned off. So it gets short circuited. So VDD is connect to out. So VDD is connect to output terminal. So now the output is 1. So input is 0 but output is 1. Just a complement of input value you will get the output circuit. So it is the basic operation of CMOS inverter.